Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Eliada, and today's session is designed to give you an instant positive recharge, lifting your mood, boosting your energy, and resetting your mindset in just 5 minutes. Close your eyes now and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Let your body relax and your mind settle. Notice your breath as it flows naturally. Inhale relaxation, calmness, and lightness. Exhale any tension, heaviness, or doubt. You're here now in this moment, ready to reset and recharge. Now, silently or out loud, repeat the following affirmations. Let them resonate deeply within you. Feel them as truth in your mind and body. I invite vibrant and positive energy into my space. Imagine a warm, golden light pouring down over you, filling every cell in your body with positivity and vitality. Now say silently or out loud, I release all stress and welcome calmness now. Visualize a gentle breeze washing away all tension, leaving behind a light, peaceful feeling. Now say, I am calm, centered, and think positive thoughts. Feel pulsating positive energy moving through you. Perhaps even with a tingling sensation, spreading comfort and goodness all around. Finally, say this, I radiate positivity and vibrant, happy energy. Picture yourself glowing with a soft magnetic light, bringing warmth and joy to yourself and those around you. As you breathe deeply, this energy expands, recharging your entire being. Like a fountain flowing from within, it clears away negativity and fills you with comfort, ease, and peace. You feel calm, grounded, and fully aligned with positivity. Now, take one more deep breath in and exhale completely. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready for an amazing rest of the day or night. Thank you for joining me today. This is Eliada with HypnoCloud. For longer sessions, please download our app at hypnocloud.com.